I was recently asked what type cameras I use, so I decided to put this little short video together. It's bits and pieces of the information about cameras that I use and the ones I take to Sturgis. Hope you find it informational and helpful. I think I got everything figured out for what I want to take to Sturgis for as far as cameras. Let's explain it real quickly here. Sit down. Well, we got the Sony camera, which is this one right here. We got the Sony camera along with charger and case and extra battery in here. That's where it'll ride, is in there. We got the charger for it. Then we got the little GoPro. We got the charger for it and extra batteries. And we'll take about I think 6 different chips or better. Besides, we'll have a couple 64 gigabyte chips, and the rest of them will be 32 gigabyte chips. We'll take a phone. That will have a 64 gigabyte chip in it. We'll take this handle, goes on everything for holding it. We're going to take this little action camera here. Pick that up for like 40 bucks or something. Works pretty good though. We'll take a tripod with us. We'll take a couple of these. We got one mounted on the bike now. We'll take these two in case somebody steals one. That there is a chest harness. Going to try that new for the first time this year. Put the GoPro right on your chest and walk around with it. Then we got the new microphone that I've been having troubles with. Trying to figure out how to turn it on, how to use it, stuff like that. But we'll get her figured out. But this is the cameras. We got to figure out how we're going to get it all packed on the bike now. This next little part, we're going to compare the GoPro up against this Sony. I got the GoPro going, and I got this camera going. Get my finger out of the way. The Sony. So let's compare shots. The GoPro is set on narrow, and let's see what I got with this going on. I got this backed all the way off, and here is the bridge we were talking about. Set this right there and set this. There's your GoPro. Here's the view you got here. Don't know the difference. We'll find out. Gonna run out of battery real soon on the GoPro. Yes, it's jiggly. Now the Sony shouldn't be jiggly. You can tell the difference here because the Sony has a lens in it that kind of floats in there, and it takes the jiggle out of the wiggle out of the walk. So let's see how this looks. That's our great prime bridge right there. Awesome. No jumpers today. Too cold to land in that water. But this is the Snake River winding down through there. So we can compare these side by side. Okay, we're going to shut the GoPro off. If y'all ever wondered what it takes to make a video up in the woods, about the woods, this is what it takes. As you can see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cameras, not counting the one we're filming with. So it's a lot of work. I hope you enjoy some of these videos we're taking. Exit.